How to delete your Instagram post. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily delete your Instagram post. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to delete your Instagram post, simply go ahead and open up your Instagram, then head over to your post. In order to head over to your post, simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once on your profile, if you scroll down here on this grid, you should be able to see a post. In order to delete a particular post, simply go ahead and tap on the picture or the post that you would like to delete, then tap on the three dots icon at the right hand side at the top right of the particular post. Once you do so, here you should be able to see the option that says delete at the very bottom. Tap on delete and it should ask for confirmation. Do you really want to delete this post? You can see that you can restore this post from recently deleted in your activity within 30 days. After that, it'll be permanently deleted. Simply tap on delete and it'll be deleted. This is how you can delete your post. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.